everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and I have some exciting news that has been a long time in coming, and we now have our 2023 602 crate engine recommendations. So if you have a GM602 crate engine and you're looking for the best tips and tricks, we've got some great tips in this guide. Some of the things in here, you'll find some information about ignition timing, RPM limits, your oil and fuel recommendations, as well as some actual product recommendations that have been proven to be some of the best performing items for a 602 engine in a racing application. Some of the other tips you can find in here include how to change valve springs, initial startup, and even more. Plus, it's not just in theory. What's really great is we've even included QR codes and links to the actual products so you can pick them up right there in our store. So big thanks to Hendren Racing Engines for all of the information that they provided for us to be able to include in this guide. And you'll be able to pick this up wherever you're watching this video. Click the link in the description or in the comments and you can download this for yourself, print it off, and have it as a resource in your shop. If you have any questions, drop them into the comments. In the meantime, we'll see you in another video.